Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, look at me. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be going to SAC. We're about to be heading to SAC Speed Shop. If you guys are familiar and you've been keeping up, you guys know that we are in the middle of doing a collab giveaway on this F-body. Currently right now, by the time y'all are watching this, I'm sorry, but the giveaway is gonna be over. So this is for everybody that participated and joined in on Instagram. Today I'm about to be going over there, giving y'all a full overview. Y'all gonna be checking this thing out. Finally gonna get on the lift so y'all can see how beautiful this thing is underneath. This is not your typical F-body. Somebody is about to be winning a piece of history, man. If you are from the Bay Area, you are familiar with this F-body. It is a classic. It's the car that SAC Speed Shop built their reputation on. And yeah, man, so one of y'all about to be getting lucky. We don't know where this thing is going yet. It could be going to New York, it could be going to Pennsylvania, it could be going goddamn Detroit. We don't know. It could be staying local, but we'll see once we get ready to do the drawing and all that. For all our participants, today's the day y'all get to see exactly what y'all joined in for. And today we got my little mamas with me. She's sitting here munching on her little kitty knickknacks, but you gonna be going with Dada today to the shop. You gonna be going with Dada today to the shop. I'm gonna have to clean you off when we get there. We in the Kia thing. I kind of should have threw her in the G, but it would have been our first daddy-daughter riding the G. I didn't feel like swapping the car seat and all that. So, got her diaper bag. I think everything's here. Hit it, mama, hit it. Pat, pat. Cash, what's good?
What's up, man?
So, bro, how you doing?
Josh.
Cool, Mike.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, man? How you doing? Mike.
Josh, nice to meet you.
Where Christian at?
They went to the store.
Alright, man, we in this thing. And here it is, the F-body that we're about to be doing the giveaway on. Or pretty much already started. Like I said, it's probably maybe 40-something spots left. This is the first time we finally got this thing up on the lift. So y'all can really see the suspension because it's crazy. Fool taking forever. Now y'all camera shy. Look at y'all tucking in the shirt. Baby, get your hands out the way. Get out of here, fool. We're working. All right, we're ready. Take two. Action.
Ready to go.
Stop, baby crying. Baby.
Back up on it.
All right, take three.
We got this 2001 Camaro. It's a LS3 6-speed car now. I know most of you all know it for having the LS7. We pulled that out through the LS3 in it. It has full bolt-ons, Cook's long tubes, 1 7/8 headers, 2 matching white pipe. BTR stage 3 cam in it with supporting mods. We've also put in an improved racing oil baffle to help with slosh when you're doing donuts, drifting, whatever the hell it is you're doing.
Takeovers, drag racing, all that good stuff. We could pop it, let them see it.
A lot of y'all know the car, it's immaculate. The engine bay is painted to match the exterior of the car.
Yeah,
it's
so
a
it's
little
all
dirty
candy
right now and everything.
It's been raining, so you got a little water drops, but we ain't worry about that.
Car's fully functional, has AC and heater. Has a stage 3, monster twin disc clutch in it to a rebuilt T56 with only about 50 miles on it. Once 50 to 100, I can't even remember to be honest. The LS3 has about 400 miles on it. The rear end has about 50 to 100 miles on it, so all this is fresh. It's sitting on a stage 3 Duncan Motorsports angle kit, so it does have a lot of camber, but we do have all the UMI lower tubular A-arms, stock spindles, the front sway bar, if you want to reverse it and get rid of all this camber for the angle kit.
Yeah, if you don't want the angle, then you can take it off. It all comes with the car.
Everything on the bottom of the car is painted Detroit Speed purple. I don't know how many of you guys know this, but the car is rocking the Detroit Speed JRI coilovers. The car was their demo car for those coilovers. It also has the C6ZR1 wheel hubs on it, on top of the heavy duty sway bar, which you see over there. Currently not on the car due to the angle kit.
Yeah, you don't need the sway bar with the angle in there.
Upper UMI tubular arms. UMI tubular K member.
We got the V brakes.
CTSV brakes that were rubbing.
Fuck, I had to rub the fit, but you know what I'm saying? We good now.
Ain't nothing a little powder coat can't fix.
Powder coat, nothing a little black marker can't fix.
That part, whatever you want to do.
But you can see the paint job is A1.
Still needs to get details. Been outside in the rain.
Paint looks immaculate. It is a candy paint. Everything under here has been undercoated also.
The car's been undercoated. All the suspension parts have been painted the Detroit Speed purple.
You can see the lower control arms were extended right here.
And then the knuckle was shortened for it to get
Yep,
banged.
and then the knuckle.
Both
full
sides.
coilovers.
Yeah, the coilovers are the JR Detroit Speed ones. If anybody knows how expensive these motherfuckers are, they're ridiculously expensive.
You can see the long tubes.
Long tube wide pod, UMI torque arm, UMI sway bar, panhard bar, and lower control arms. Rears on JRI coilovers as well. It's from Detroit Speed. It does have a cutout on it, so if you want to open it up and be loud, you can open it. If you want to shut this car up, it gets real quiet through this stock muffler. The center mount exhaust has been dipped and chrome polished, so it's really clean. The Virgil panel got the keyhole delete. The Saxby shops painted into the Virgil panel. I don't know if you can tell, but the taillights have this crazy looking blue into them around the edges.
Yeah, they outline them with the candy blue. Looks nice.
Shop did that. The center mount molding is molded to the bumper, so it's flush.
All in one piece.
Yeah. Pretty much it, man.
Kinda like this nigga talking too much.
Pretty much it, man. Look, we got about 40 tickets left. We're close to the end. We're trying to close this by Sunday and have this. What do you think? Sometime next week to its new owner.
Hopefully.
The car will
We'll get
be
everything.
fully detailed.
We'll get the owner pick for sure by next weekend.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, man, even if this does go to New York, Michigan, wherever it's gonna go, you can see everything's undercoated, so you know you ain't gotta worry about it really rusting on your ass.
You want to show the interior on it?
Yeah, let's lower it. Show them the interior. Interior on here is hella clean, man. It's probably like one of the cleanest interiors I've seen on the F-Body. I'm not an F-Body fan, but when I first started coming here, I was like, bro, this car is hella clean. I actually thought about buying this car. Look, quiet mode. You can open the cutout or close it. Now the cutout's open. Oh yeah, that shit gets hella loud. Car is so clean, bruh. So clean. See where this thing goes. Close this out of the way. Look at him. Oh yeah, he got a slap in here too. Headlights, everything works.
Car has full audio, sweet car, man. AC, heater, everything works.
Everything works like factory. Custom sub setup. This nigga trying to get us here with a copyright strike.
I don't have too many YouTuber friends. Interior is immaculate.
Check out the
Only issue it
interior.
has is on the dash from being out in the sun at one point.
One crack. One little crack. Other than that, look at it. Look at it. No seat rips, nothing. Back seats immaculate. Look at the door panels. All my F-Body people, man. You an F-Body lover, you know this stupid clean.
The dashes on the light are from the ABS being unplugged due to the angle kit. We unplugged all that, turn off the traction control in the rear. Don't need it. Other than that, the car's pretty much solid. It is a clean title car, y'all. Y'all ain't buying no salvage title sideshow bucket.
Yeah, this is a true SS. This is SLP.
SLP number car.
SLP numbered car. My last 2 cars went to New York.
Did it?
Yeah. Right.
It's gonna have a full detail. Guy should be back, my friend, to finish it up later today. Everything will be clean. The inside will be vacuumed. We'll try to get you a Saxby Shop air freshener if we still have them. I don't know if we still have them.
Yeah, stupid clean. Look at that candy, boy. Look at that candy.
That's dirty. It's been out in the rain.
This Blueberry Jolly Ranchers right here. This is definitely one thing that I love about this car is the sounds of nature. Look, y'all can't see her, she's back there knocked out. So shout out to Sounds of Nature, man. Already comes factory in all the Kia cars or the newer cars and stuff like that. So it's definitely a nice little touch for a family vehicle. But right now I'm on my way back towards the house. I think since I have time left, I might go home, grab my Mustang wheels that I pretty much burnt off, and swap some new tires on there. That way, when I do the suspension stuff for the 4Ride, that car will have some wheels to go on. So you guys know I took the bronze wheels off of the green turbo coupe, and I think I'm gonna put them on the 4Ride 2JZ build. I just think the bronze will look good, kind of contrasty off of the patina vibe, especially the lighter and darker gray rust areas. So that's why I decided to put the bronze wheels on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and start gathering stuff up. I was hoping she wasn't gonna go to sleep until I got home. That way I can leave her with Granny, but I might just throw the wheels in here since she's asleep and take her with me to the tire shop. We'll see how the ride goes, if she wakes up and whatnot. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a little harder to vlog all the time since how I'm gonna have my baby more. But yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll definitely figure it out. You guys know that I ended the family channel. It's still there. I just haven't really been posting on it. And my thing was, I just didn't want to be, you know, making videos catered to like family stuff or having my daughter hella much in videos and stuff like that. Just because, like, I don't, you know, I want her to grow up like normal. Like, I don't want her to grow up feeling like she has to be a vlogger or whatever. Like, so I kind of wanted to keep her out of videos, other than like little cameos here and there that y'all see her in. But you know, if I gotta vlog with her more to take her to the shop with me and stuff, then you know that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, it's definitely gonna, you know, be a little on the harder side. But again, we'll figure it out. Some of y'all noticed that I didn't really post that much this week, and you know that's part of the reason I was at the house with her most of the time. Turn into a house baby daddy. Alright, so we got the radios for the 350 here, but we're gonna be taking these bad boys and getting these things swapped off. I mean, technically they still got a little bit of driftable life on them. Alright, just getting back, man. Had to drop the wheels off and it took like an hour. So baby's inside with Granny. Here they are, fresh tires. Even though I ain't gonna be using these things no time soon. We got the fresh Schmeats on them. These are 285 35s. So these are gonna be the Y boys. Eventually these will be having radios or something on them, but I am gonna keep the 18s because these are gonna be behind probably a very high horsepowered 2JZ. I think the contrast, alright, let's get a better look at this. Kind of slightly better idea. I think these are gonna look good on here. I feel like the contrast is just about right. Uh-oh. Alright, so before I wrap this up, let me just say that I do have all the parts for the 4i 2J. I'm literally just waiting on my appointment to drop off the 2J. I got the pistons, the rods, the valve springs, the turbo, exhaust manifold, intake manifold adapter to where I can run the GTE intake manifold on there. What else? Pretty much everything. Cams, like I have the whole shebang, everything needed to have this thing as a 1,000+ horsepower 4-ride notchback. The goal isn't going to be 1,000, but I'm definitely building it. I'm definitely building it to support about 1,300. But I'm gonna probably run it at about 850, 900. I want this thing to be a super fast responding setup, so I'm not going crazy big on the turbo, kind of keeping it like moderate. So the turbo that I have going on here is a G35 1050, supposedly 1,000 horsepower turbo, but the most I've seen is like 900+ out of them, which is, if it makes 900, cool. I just don't want this thing to be laggy, so I'm trying to put the smallest turbo I can to get this thing to make 850, and it was either between a Precision 6466 or the G35 1050s, and I decided to go with the 1050. Yeah, man, I got everything needed for this thing. One last thing I want to touch bases on, man. If you guys are getting messages from people that may seem like they're me, it'll have like a same picture as my YouTube profile, but it'll be a different screen name or something. They'll message you telling you won something. Do not fall for that. That is not me. If you don't see me making a video or something on the giveaway, announcing it or whatever, then don't fall for any of that. They're going around telling people they won TVs and telling you to message them on WhatsApp. I don't even fucking have WhatsApp. I don't even know what WhatsApp is. Yeah, just don't fall for that. If you don't see me making a video on it, you don't see me posting it directly through my YouTube, Instagram, or anything like that, then it's not me. Do not fall for it. It's pretty much the most common scam that's going around on YouTube. If you look at any of the other YouTubers, you'll see people that look like them saying, hey guys, you won this, DM me, blah, 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 or whatever, check your messages, and next thing you know, you send them the shipping money and you never get a reply. They scam your ass. So do not fall for those. Yeah, that's all I really gotta say. So we're gonna continue to pretty much wait on this thing. I think this is gonna be grande gnarly. But yeah, man, I'm about to go in here, chillax with my baby, and I'll be back with y'all in a couple days or so. So thank y'all for watching. Always love y'all. Appreciate y'all greatly. I'm out of here, man. Till next time.